to park the car, or if you want to make a room for washing facilities, maybe like doing clothes, putting a couple of just the electric and the plumbing for it, and a fuse board, and you can park cars as well outside. This is a car park for 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. We took out the centre post because we don't need it, and just doubled up the steel. So really good. Anybody needs a trailer, we didn't use it. It's a really strong one. When I built the resort we used it, but now it's just lying here, we don't use it. Maybe if you're building a house you could buy it. It's got electrics and just ready to go. This is another unit as well for parking cars. This is a double one. Then next door, this house here, we put an electric supply in it. So meters and three separate fuses for this place. And on the front we carry another, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars on the front. So plenty of room to park cars. But these are all self-built. We just basically build them ourselves, and we do the welding and fabrication in house. So all the trucks today, running when I built the resort, that was why. Without that I couldn't have done it. A wee truck, but it's nice. Kia 2.9 turbo, very good. Another parking space for 2 cars. But these are lappy, the welder, 800 baht a day. So just say for that one, I'd say a good 4 days is plenty for one man. So 3,200 for labour, and about another maybe 6,000 for materials. This one's double the size, so just double it up. So, but 2 man for that job, it's a bigger job, and the sheets are a lot bigger. But you can do it. And heavy steel, double up the steel. You know, you buy the thicker steel as well. The front's the same as round the back there. We had originally we had more supports, but cars bang into them. So now we basically double up the back here with steel and take away two of the supports. Oh, that's what we've done. But second-hand steel, you'd have to use new. Go to the shops that buy scrap and then ask them if they've got any second-hand. This is basically 20 baht for 1 kilo. You just buy the scrap yard. Okay. And also another thing, you can see all the damage here that people do. So when you build a building next to the parking bays, make sure you keep it back about 6 metres, because the Thai people can't drive and they crash into the post. This has been repaired at least, I'll say maybe 4 or 5 times. I had to cut it out, so it's no good. This one and that one has been hit and damaged and repaired, and another one here. So if you're building places for cars, make sure it's a well way for the house. This one's 4 metres, but I think they need 6 to get out. No problem. So that's basically building carports in Thailand is no problem. Okay, bye bye for now.